Did you know photography doesn't end when you just press the shutter button? It is just the first part. The second part starts when you do the post-processing. Hi, I am Ashok Dewangan, Masterclass mentor from DCP Expeditions. DCP brings an 8-hour workshop on digital image post-processing using Adobe Photoshop. In this 8 hours workshop, you will get to know in depth about Adobe Camera Raw and Photoshop. In Adobe Camera Raw, you will learn basic processing, curves, color, sharpness, local adjustment, new masking feature, and complete image processing. In Photoshop, you will learn Photoshop layout and understanding of various tools, adjustment tools, layers and layer masking, different blending modes, sharpness and noise reduction, how to remove object from image, how to remove the color casting from image, subject selection and its use, remove halo from your image, adding signature to your image, how to save image for different social media like Facebook and Instagram, focus stacking and maximize your depth of field, bracketing and multi-exposure blending, panorama and image stitching. The workshop doesn't end here. You will also get raw files for the practice. You will also have a dedicated WhatsApp group for discussion and for your queries. So join me for this intense learning session on digital image processing and take your photography to the next level.